Every transformer needs protection. That's where fuses come in. Choosing the right fuse can be the difference between a quick fix and an expensive repair bill. Faults happen, but the right fusing can limit the damage and the impact to your system. A common feature in a Giga transformer is to locate the bayonet fuses here, on the outside of the transformer. Now, having the bayonet fuses mounted on the outside provides an additional layer of security when de-energizing the transformer by not opening the primary cabinet. Current limiting fuses mounted here inside the transformer tank provide protection for your downstream equipment against high energy faults. At Giga, we build pad mounts with both bayonet and current limiting fuses. That way you get a full range of protection. With these dual sensing fuse links, your protection can be more precise because you detect both heat and current. The right fuse choice isn't just technical. It's about preventing downtime, avoiding equipment damage, and keeping your people safe. For example, if your fuse ratings are too high, the fuse won't clear the fault fast enough and can lead to damage of your equipment. Too low, and you can get nuisance trips, headaches, and unnecessary outages. So you'll always want to coordinate fusing with both your upstream and downstream devices. For more advanced protection, Giga offers vacuum circuit breakers, providing even faster and more reliable fault clearing. Certain projects may need more advanced protection, so if you have a complex project, we can help you determine the right fusing for you.